We found this thing to be quite confusing for some of you. I mean setting up the sticky header while building the header using Header Builder tool. The whole process is based on literally 2 clicks, and that is what I would like to show you in this tutorial. What's up everyone? I'm Albert, and in today's video I want to show you how to activate sticky header when building header with Header Builder tool. The whole process is extremely simple, so let's move on to the BA Builder. Let's say we already have a header we're working on in the default state. If you look at the top right corner, you will see that the sticky option is grayed out, which means it is inactive and cannot be clicked on. To activate sticky option, we have to go to Header Options, located at the bottom of the BA Builder bar on the left, and now all we have to do is change status for the sticky header to enabled. That's it. From now on, we can click on the sticky button and we will be redirected to the tab where we can start building our sticky header. When clicked, a window will pop up and we will be asked if we want to copy a default header so we can make necessary changes to it, or maybe we prefer to start from scratch. If we choose the first option, the default header will be copied, because by default, sticky header is exactly the same as the default one. But remember, from now on, you should make every non-unique changes on both views, sticky and default, because they are independent. However, if we decide for the second option, we have to build everything from scratch, so it's up to you which option you prefer to use. And that's it. If you like this video, I recommend to watch another video where I shown how to use the header builder. On the other side, you have a video about building mobile headers, which might also interest you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we release a new video. And if you have more questions, please visit our support center at support.muffingroup.com.